Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to set up the V2box VPN using premium V2ray settings. This will enhance your online privacy and give you a seamless browsing experience. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide that's both easy to follow and educational. Step 1. Visit the private SSH site. Begin by opening Google Chrome and performing a search for a private SSH site. Once you find it, go ahead and visit the site. Step 2. Navigate the homepage. When you arrive at the homepage, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and click on them to access the menu. Step 3. Select protocol. From the options presented, choose either the V2ray or X-ray option. Then, from the submenu, select the V2ray VMS option to proceed. Step 4. Choose your server. You will now see a list of available servers. Select any server that suits your preferred location by tapping on the Select Server button. Step 5. Set your validity. Next, opt for the 30-day validity period. Make sure to choose the option that suits your needs best. Step 6. Create an account. Take note of the remaining accounts available, and then click on Create Account to begin the registration process. Step 7. Enter your information. In the provided fields, enter a valid bug host. Don't forget to complete the CAPTCHA verification to proceed. Once that's done, tap on the Create Account button at the top. Step 8. Copy your account details. After a moment, your account will be created. Click on the Copy option to save your account details, as you will need these for setting up V2box VPN. Step 9. Install V2box VPN. To set up V2box VPN with the premium 30-day server, install the V2box VPN application from the Google Play Store. Step 10. Open V2box VPN. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You'll be greeted with the home screen, indicating you're ready to begin the setup. Step 11. Configure the VPN. Within the app, navigate to the Config option and tap the plus symbol button to add a new configuration. Step 12. Import from clipboard. A list of options will appear. Choose Import V2ray from clipboard, and your V2ray account details will automatically populate in the app. Step 13. Adjust your settings. Tap the pencil icon to adjust the settings according to your preferences. Make any necessary modifications to tailor the experience to your needs. Step 14. Connect to the VPN. Lastly, tap the Connect button to initiate your connection. You are now securely connected. Join our community. We invite you to join us on Telegram and WhatsApp, where you can connect with other users, share tips, and ask questions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps. Thank you for being with us today, and let's enhance our online security together.